Multiple choice, either you love them or you hate them. It says use elimination to find the value of x in the solution for the system of equations. So guys, when we look at these choices, that's the value of x. So if I had my ordered pair, x comma y, they're saying what number would go right there in the first slot. Now guys, it's multiple choice, so do you have to use the elimination method? No, not really. If it's multiple choice, you can solve it using any method your heart desires. But I'll tell you, these things are lined up for elimination method. And guys, I kind of feel like I'm on repeat with the last few problems, but aren't these two x's really close to canceling? If I could get one of them to become a negative, I would be in good shape. So I'm going to take one of the equations and multiply through by -1. Top equation doesn't change. When I multiply the bottom of equation by -1, I get -2x plus 3y equals -5. Because remember, I have to do negative times 2, -1 times 2x, then -1 times -3, that's where the plus 3 comes in. And -1 times 5 is -5. Now, the whole reason I did that is because they were lined up to use elimination method. That's the method where I'm going to come in and I'm going to add, and guys, 2x plus -2x, if they're opposite numbers, they get 0, they cancel, they're out of there. So then I add the rest. 2y plus 3y is 5y. 10 plus -5, or 10 minus 5, is 5. Now, keep going. Solve it for y. I'm going to divide each side by 5, and I get y equals 1. Okay, well, I wish that was the letter they had asked for, because I know in my ordered pair y is going to be my second number, but I still don't know my first number. So I've got to take this and plug it into one of the two equations. I'm going to plug it into the top one. So instead of writing 2x plus 2y equals 10, guys, I know that y is 1. So I'm going to come to where this y is, and I'm going to put a 1 in. So now I'm going to simplify. 2 times 1, that's going to get me 2x plus 2 equals 10. Now I have to minus 2 from each side. That gets me 2x equals 8. And now I'm going to divide each side by 2. Well, guys, doesn't that get me x equals 4? So now I know my x value. Letter C is the correct answer. Now, I hope that none of you chose letter A, because letter A is the y value, and they wanted to know the x value. So be really careful with what the question's asking.